G'day, I'm Judd from Path of Trees. I'm going to show you how to determine the boundaries of a named content section in Publish to Cloud for Confluence. When editing a page, you can add a named content section macro to specify a section of content to be used when publishing the page to cloud. If you haven't already watched our video on adding macros to a page, it's a great place to start. The link is in this video's description. So, you've added a content section macro, but where does that section begin and end? There are two rules to follow. To demonstrate the first one, here's an example docs article. It has two content section macros, hero image and main. The first rule is that one content section ends where another section starts. So here, the hero image section just contains the image, and the main section below contains all the text. Visually, this is very intuitive. One section ends, another section starts. To demonstrate the second rule, here's an example product page. It includes a whole bunch of content sections. The second rule is that a content section is restricted to its container. Here we have a table with two cells, each with a content section. The product intro section on the left is restricted to its cell, colored here in blue. Only the text in that cell is part of the product intro section. This also applies to page layouts. Here we have a layout with two columns. The feature image section on the left only contains this image. When a page is published to cloud, each content section is inserted into the selected HTML template using variables. We have a great video on adding variables to a template, which is also linked in this video's description. Because it's easy to define the boundaries of a section, like we've done here with a page layout, and where that section appears in a template, a website page with intricate layout can be mirrored in Confluence, so page authors can visually and intuitively make and publish edits. This boundary concept even works with other macros, like the expand macro. Here, the footnote section only includes the text within the expand and not the table cell of tasks underneath. In fact, this yellow colored set of internal tasks is not part of any section, so it won't be included when publishing to the cloud. This technique can be used to keep internal notes and discussion out of published content. So one page in Confluence can remain the source of truth for a piece of website content with all the team discussion and refinement that involves. So, number one, a named content section ends where another begins. And number two, a content section is restricted to its container. Named content sections are powerful tools that let you use the simplicity of the Confluence editor to author highly structured website content. For more, check out the docs linked in the video description, or to get an individual walkthrough with extra examples, book a live demo at pathoftrees.com.